This is SharpNode Smart Siren and Alarm System. SharpNode Siren Alarm System is very powerful and useful device for theft prevention. I have configured SharpNode Siren Alarm System with the door sensor. I have installed door sensor at my door. You can see how I have installed the door sensor over here. Now, I'm gonna show you how SharpNode Smart Siren works. This person will try to open the door for some activities that is not authorized. And the siren alarm system will kick off the person. Let's watch how.